Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPad model and port because the connection method depends on it. If you have a Lightning iPad, plug the Apple Lightning to USB 3 camera adapter into the iPad, then connect the Vivitar SD reader to the adapter. Once done, attach external power to the adapter's Lightning pass-through. This supplies the reader. If you have a USB-C iPad, connect the Vivitar reader directly with a USB-C cable. Make sure the SD card is fully inserted into the reader before proceeding. You now switch to the Files app to access the card's contents because Photos sometimes only shows images. Tap Locations and find the Vivitar or Untitled external drive entry. If you don't see it, unplug and replug the reader and confirm the adapter's power. Once visible, browse folders and select files. Use drag and drop or the copy command to move items into on my iPad or iCloud drive. Make sure to wait for transfers to finish before removing anything to avoid corruption. You finish by safely ejecting the SD reader in Files or by powering off the reader before removing the card to prevent data loss. If the Vivitar reader isn't detected, make sure the adapter's pass-through power is attached, swap the USB cable, or test a known working adapter. Many issues are simple cable or power faults. If files appear corrupted, import any recoverable items, then reformat the card on a computer to FAT32 or XFAT, and retest the workflow to ensure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.